Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to one more nautical content video. Today we're going to see one of the most important skills that we should have, which is the anchoring under sail only, without the use of the engine. So this video have been made with the help of my colleagues from 7 Seas School of Yachting in Athens, Greece, and let's go and watch the video, please.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to see how we drop the anchor only with the sails. That is one of the most useful skills to have because you never know when your engine will fail. So you should be able, on a sailing boat, it should be very easy for you to prepare the boat to drop the anchor only by using the sails. So today we have a little bit of breeze, but this works with any kind of wind. The stronger the wind, the more reefs we put to the sails. That's the only difference, and we have to be a little bit more accurate with the rudder. Let's start with the preparation. We're going to come over here to prepare the anchor because we don't have engine. In some boats we don't have also windlass. To the modern boats, the windlass doesn't work if you don't run the engine. Not only turn the key, but you should run the engine to work it. So here we're going to do it 100% manually. We disengage the safety line of the anchor from the guardrail. And after we come over here to open the locker. And we have access to our chain locker. Before we go ahead and move anything with the anchor, we put the brake to the anchor, so we know that our anchor will be secure at any given moment. And then we take the lever and we're going to disengage the clutch. So we're going to be able, just by using the wheel, to drop free fall the anchor. Very nice, the clutch is free now and I can use it with my hand. And now I have control to the chain only by using the wheel. I pull a little bit the wheel, I give a little bit of slack, and then I lock it again. And of course, I will know that the anchor is ready to drop if I put it to that condition. So it should be only ready to drop only by its weight, and control it very, very smoothly by using the brake. So I'm giving my report now that the anchor is above the water, and we go to prepare the boat with the sails to approach to our anchorage point. So now we don't have the engine because we have a damage to the engine, and also we don't have the windlass, the machine of the windlass, we don't have it, but we prepare it to be ready to drop manually. And now we have mainsail, and we're going to open also the head sail to have it ready to do our maneuvers. Out, so I'm pulling Harry. When we are about to arrive to our anchorage area, we're going to furl in the head sail, and in order to cancel the effect of the head sail, we don't let a lot of sail out. We let just enough just to have maneuverability. The move that we're going to do, because the fundamental move to drop the anchor is to stop the boat, and when the boat is about to drift backwards, we're going to drop the anchor. The same thing that we're going to do now. So the last moment we're going to have only the mainsail out. When we reach the spot that we want to drop the anchor, which is approximately 6 meters, we're going to drive the boat up to the wind and ease completely the main sheet. When the boat is about to stop, we're going to drop the chain in the water, we drop the anchor. We know that the depth is about 6 meters, and we're going to drop a little bit more than the 6 meters. A lot of people, they furl in the mainsail, or they drop it if it's about to be a full button sail. So it's okay to do that, but because you never know if your anchor is holding, we want also to challenge a little bit the anchor, and to challenge the anchor after the dropping, we're going to have to push the boat backwards by using the mainsail, and I'm going to show you later how we're going to do that. Our focus is only to drive the boat upwind ease the mainsail when we get up to the wind, and then we go in front to drop the anchor. So let's go as much downwind as possible. And now, because I see that the head sail, I don't really need it anymore, I'm going to take it out of the equation. Nice, we just jibed the boat. Keep this course, please, Costa. Yes, keep it over here. And Harry, please, furl in the head sail. We don't even change the side of the head sail, we're just going to furl it in. A little bit more and ready. Thank you. Even though that is not proper for downwind, we're going to keep it a little bit close hold. And we know the wind is coming from that direction because we see the flags, and a nice sharp turn to the wind and open the mainsail is more than enough. So let's go together, Panagiotis. We go to the bow to wait for the turning. When I give you the call, you turn up to the wind, and you, Harry, whenever we get up to the wind, I will give you the call to ease the mainsail completely, and we're going to drop the anchor. Okay. What is the depth here, Costa? 8.6, so I'm going to drop approximately 12 meters of chain to start having holding. So we are ready, let's head upwind, please.
Okay, I'm heading up the wind now.
As you see, Harris is pulling the sail inside to help the boat turning. And the turn should be as sharp as possible to manage to get the bow as much as possible up to the wind. As you see, the boat now is decelerating and mainsail already flapping, so we know that this is the moment that we're going to ease the mainsail completely. So let's ease mainsail completely. Rudder a lot to starboard now, all to starboard. Very nice. And now we're stopped. Now that we're stopped, I'm dropping. As the boat is start drifting slowly, then we will see that the chain will have effect, and the sail, you see, it's all the way open. And if we feel like the sail has a lot of effect to the boat and it starts driving the boat again, we can give a lot of slack to the outhaul as well. Okay, so Harry, give me a little bit of slack to the outhaul and let's observe the sail. Actually, we don't really have sail now. The boat is going to be drifting by the wind. Excellent. Very nice. Outhaul in now, make it tight again. And if I want now to push the boat more backwards, to back the boat, because I don't have the engine, what I do personally, a lot of people, they come and they push the boom. Personally, I prefer to come over here and hold the lines from the outside to be on the safe side. And I will pull a little bit the sail, and in that way I'm forcing the boat to drift a little bit faster. Okay, I can do the same thing from the other side, and in that way we give a little bit more tension to the chain so we can observe if it's holding or not. Let's furl in now the mainsail, please. So about 20 meters of chain inside, and we see that the chain is pulling and the boat is returning again to the chain, and we drop 20 meters to the about 80 meters depth is nothing. We need to drop at least 4 times the depth. So I go ahead and drop even more chain, and later, as we already know, we need to check for the transits of the boat, the bearings that we take from the side of the boat, to see if the boat stays on the spot or if it's drifting.